So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to delete a file with the help of Java programming language. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to create one file, one text file. You can make any other file, but here I have created this text file with the name AEE. So now we will delete it out and we need to open our compiler first. So we will double click our IntelliJ IDEA. We need to click on File, we need to click on New. We need to click on Project. And here we can write the name of the project as Delta 4. Okay, or you can write any other name of your own choice. And what about the JDK? You also make sure that your JDK has been installed properly. So click on Create and click on this window. Now this is our generic code. Okay, so now we will delete it out. Now we will write our own code. So first of all, we will import our library, which is import java.io.file. What is this? Now we have imported this file class, which is actually the part of java.io library. And we have imported this class. Why it is so? Because the function which we need to delete the file is the part of the file class. So we need this class in our code. After this has been done, we will go and we will write public a little bit below public class main. So this is the generic syntax that if you want to write the code of the Java, you have to declare two things. One is the public class main and the second thing is public static void main. That you need to write public static void and main function. And within the parameter brackets, we will write string args. Okay. So now this is the generic syntax of the Java, and we will write all of our code within the body of the main function here. Okay. So we will write file A is equal to new file, and now here we will write the path of the file. Okay. Wait, let me see. Right click on the file, go to its properties, go to its location, copy its path, Control V, and here we write awe.txt. So this is the complete path. Okay, now this has been done. Now what is this? What is meant? Now we have created an object A whose name is A. You can write any other name of your own choice here. A is the object of the file class. And here what is this new file? Here this file is the constructor function. And here the constructor function used to perform the role that it copy the link of the file and assign it to the object A. Okay. So now wherever we will write A, it means that this file. Okay. This file which is AEE. So now we will write if a.delete. Now A is the file, AEE file. So now we will write a.delete. Then what will happen? That if now why we have written this dot operator here? Okay, as we know that A is the object of the file class and delete is the function that lies within this file class. So if we want to fetch that function, we have to write dot operator in between A and delete. Okay, so if we want to delete the A file, then and if a dot delete is equal to 1, means that if it is true that if A is deleted, then whatsoever inside the body of the if condition will get executed. So here we will write system dot out dot println file has been deleted. Okay, so if the file is deleted, if it is boolean 1, then whatsoever inside the if condition body will get executed. So now we will run it out and we will see the terminal. And they said, what's the problem? Java reached the end of the file. Well, let me see what's the problem here. Yes, public static void main. There must be one parameter bracket. Yes. So like this. So it is written file has been deleted. So either we will check that either our file has been deleted or not. Yes, it is. So in this way you can delete any sort of file with the help of Java programming language. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.